Hello, and welcome to Living Healthy, Living Well, the Chakra Connection. A balanced and thriving life isn't just about physical health. It's about aligning your mind, body, and spirit. The chakras, your body's 7 spiritual energy centers, hold the key to greater clarity, healing, and personal empowerment, helping you create balance in your daily life. Hi, I'm your host, Madhavi, the Chief Motivating Officer of Prana Health Yoga and Wellness Coaching. I help people who feel stuck in their wellness journey gain clarity, balance, and lasting health through mindful habits, movement, and energy work. Each week, I'll share bite-sized insights and practical tools to help you harness the power of your chakras, align your energy, and elevate your well-being one step at a time. Join me on this journey to deeper health, balance, and transformation. After all, you have nothing to lose, but only stress. Hello, friends, and welcome back to the Living Healthy, Living Well, the Chakra Connection. You've probably heard this phrase many times before, especially in yoga classes, wellness circles, or even coaching conversations. Treat your body like a temple. But what does that actually mean? Okay, let's slow down and explore the deeper significance of this powerful phrase and how it can completely transform the way you live, move, and care for yourself. So here's what it really means. Let's just start by imagining this. You walk into a temple, and then there's an immediate shift in energy. You remove your shoes, maybe you lower your voice, and you may even feel grounded and at peace. Why? It's because temples are places of reverence. They're meant to be kept clean, protective from negativity, and honored as a sacred space. Now, I invite you just to imagine, what if you approached your body the same way? You'd be mindful about what you bring in, from food you eat to the energy you absorb. You'd release what doesn't serve you, just as you leave your shoes at the door, and you'd honor your need for peace, rest, and restoration without guilt. So your body is your personal temple. It's more than a vessel. It's the home of your soul, your emotions, your energy, and your breath. So when we say treat your body like a temple, we're really talking about respecting it, even when it's tired, healing, or aging, caring for it with nourishment and movement, creating small rituals that support clarity, presence, and connection. And this is about more than just the physical, it's about the energetic and emotional too. The chakra wisdom, root plus heart connection. This sacred relationship with your body directly connects to 2 important chakras: the root chakra, which gives you grounding, safety, and stability in your physical form, and the heart chakra, which offers compassion, self love, and forgiveness. And when you love your body as sacred, you naturally activate both. You walk taller, you trust yourself more deeply, you show up for yourself with presence and wholeness. Let's start with small acts of reverence. Just like a temple is maintained through consistent, loving rituals, your body thrives with gentle, sacred care, such as choosing a variety of nourishing foods out of respect, not restriction, moving your body to celebrate its strength, not punish its shape. Rest because you deserve peace, not because you earned it. Release self judgment, like removing your shoes. Leave it at the door. In a world that teaches us to fix, criticize, or constantly improve our bodies, choosing reverence is a radical and healing act. So today, take a moment to pause and just breathe. Listen to your temple, your body. What is it asking for? And respond with compassion and care. Do you want to go deeper into your self care practice? I invite you to download my free Heart Chakra Guide. It's a beautiful resource to help you reconnect to self love and compassion. You can get it now at pranahealthpc.com/free guide. You can come move with me online or in person from my cozy home in Herndon. Yoga for chronic pain Mondays at 7 p.m., Kundalini Yoga Wednesdays at 7 p.m., Slow Flow Yoga Saturdays at 9 a.m., Balance and Strength Sundays at 9 a.m., and I have a monthly yoga nidra and sound bath. The next session is July 20th, 2025. You can find the links for the Heart Chakra Guide and my classes to reserve your spot in the show notes below. And if this message touched your heart, I invite you to share it. Please send this episode to someone who needs a reminder of how sacred they truly are. And don't forget to leave me a comment or maybe even share a 5-star review. It helps others discover this space for healing and connection. And with love and hope, my mission, help one person every day. And maybe that person is you today. Until next time, take care of yourself, stay connected, on the mat and beyond. Live healthy, live well, and bye for now. Thank you for tuning in to Living Healthy, Living Well, the Chakra Connection. I hope today's episode brought you clarity, inspiration, and a new way to align your energy. If you enjoyed this episode, be sure to subscribe so you never miss what's next. If this podcast resonates with you, I'd love for you to leave a review. It helps others discover this journey to better health and balance. Looking to connect or explore further? You'll find all the links to my social media, website, and ways to work with me in the show notes. Until next time, keep aligning, keep thriving, and remember, you have everything within you to live healthy and live well.